Hi guys, welcome to the Back Alley Custom Cycle and Dyno Center again. In today's video, we would like to set the record straight about a rumor that has been going around. The rumor that has been going around is that Back Alley Custom Cycle and Dyno Center has the best service, the lowest labor prices, and the most helpful and friendly motorcycle service technicians of any motorcycle shop in all of North Texas and Southern Oklahoma. That rumor is true. We do not deny it. Our customers have told us countless times that our service, labor, expertise, and friendliness can't be beat anywhere. We are like how motorcycle shops used to be, but instead of a dirt floor, we have computers and all the latest tools to fix your bike. So come on down and let us show you how service should really be.